Having used multiple processing tools for my astrophotography images over the past 18 months, I'm going to ask the question, what is PixInsight? And hopefully provide an answer in under 5 minutes. If you enjoy the content of my videos and channel, then please hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back and a big thank you. If you're trying to decide which imaging tool is the best for you, my advice is to download a trial, watch some YouTube videos and decide which works best for you. Your needs and therefore answer is probably different to the next person. So what is PixInsight? PixInsight describes itself as an advanced image processing platform which is used for post-processing of astrophotography images. Along with the ability to calibrate and stack your images, PixInsight also offers over 100 functional processes which have been specifically engineered and developed with astrophotography processing in mind. As a software application, PixInsight is very flexible in that it can be installed on multiple operating systems, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, allowing usage under 2 different software licenses. A 45-day fully functional trial at no cost or full commercial license, currently priced at €230 plus any applicable taxes. Within the astrophotography communities, PixInsight sometimes holds the mantle of being a great piece of software. However, it comes with a steep learning curve. Is this true? Well, personally, my thoughts are based around for the level of detail you are looking to achieve and how much effort or time you're willing to invest in learning. Again, personally, if you put the effort in and willing to run some processes, which may have several steps or parameters than when compared to other astrophotography tools, such as star tools, then the rewards will be realized. As you're probably already aware, PixInsight does not offer a one-button processing solution, such as auto color or auto contrast in Photoshop, or even like the white module in star tools. However, what it does offer is multiple detailed processes to help you carefully process and craft your image into something that you will be really proud of. Unfortunately for some, on the other hand, the amount of detail and in ways in which sometimes these processes are presented can put people off, creating that barrier to entry, and sometimes that gives that feeling of a steep learning curve. As an example of many ways, PixInsight offers 5 or 6 different processes for noise reduction, maybe even more that I'm not aware of. While each process does something slightly different and perhaps should only be used at the linear or non-linear stage, knowing which and when is an example of the learning curve without putting some study time in. Also, the naming of the processes are sometimes so literal that they are not actually named to be super friendly, such as the following names for the noise reduction processes. To put this in context, yes, there are a lot of tutorials out there, like my own videos on this channel. However, I personally spend hours and hours watching these types of videos and even reading through Andreo's Mastering PixInsight books multiple times. I'm still learning, however, I am able to now process my images with confidence. Community and support. With some people finding the learning curve difficult, the community support is very important, just as important as the application itself. Thankfully, PixInsight has a very large and supportive community in which you're not the only one feeling like a fish out of water with 101 questions. Looking at the forum hosted on the official PixInsight website, there are over 10,000 members contributing to over 100,000 posts. Although not everyone's favorite social media platform, there is a huge following on the Facebook group PixInsight for Beginners, which over 11,000 members have since joined since its creation in 2019. The other source or platform of great community support is, well, you're on it now watching this, YouTube. Just enter PixInsight tutorial into YouTube and there are dozens of videos covering workflows, specific targets, along with in-depth videos on specific processes that PixInsight provides. Although PixInsight may come with that above average difficulty level, regardless of question or problem, PixInsight is not short of support out there with the community that it has. So in conclusion, while PixInsight does not set out to make things easy for people in the post-processing world of astrophotography, as that's not its main aim or objective, it does set out to be one of the, if not the most complete astrophotography tool on the market. Unfortunately, to do that, PixInsight has to offer a large number of processors for it to handle the complex process that astrophotography can be. With respect to you as a viewer, if you require a little bit more hand-holding, or if you're just getting into the world of astrophotography, then PixInsight may not be the one for you. However, if of course you are willing to put the effort in and understand the combination of basic and advanced concepts of astrophotography processing, then PixInsight is it worth giving it a go using or trying the 45-day trial that it has to offer. I would even possibly say that in understanding the detail of PixInsight's processing, this has helped me to improve my holistic imaging process, including equipment setup and acquisitions of my images, as I feel I have a better understanding of the data. Please let me know in the comments below about your personal journey or love and hate relationship with PixInsight, and has it worked out for yourself? If you have enjoyed this video, then please subscribe for future content and further in about 5-minute videos.